Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to install custom files in Team Fortress 2 on Mac OSX after the Steampipe update. To start off here, I've just downloaded some custom mods off TF2 Banana. You can get them anywhere. Probably just Google TF2 mods and you'd find something. Now, what I'm doing here is once you've downloaded it, sometimes the mod is going to come already with its folder structure that it needs, sometimes it won't. For this sound file I downloaded here, I had to make the path myself. You shouldn't have to do this for most mods, especially if you get it off like Game Banana or something. They'll probably come just with like a resource, materials, media, any files they'll need, it'll probably come with already in the proper structure. Here I'm just copying what I want out of the HUD that I'm gonna install. So sometimes files will have multiple options of things you can install or extra features you can install. So it's always good to check through what you've downloaded before you actually go ahead and install it. Now here you can see that this already has a VPK folder, which is the new format that they released with Steampipe. For this file, I'm just going to demo not using the VPK and creating my own. But for one of the other folders here, I'll use the VPK that came with it. Okay, so here for this Scout file I downloaded, this came with a VPK. So I'm just going to take it and copy this straight up. Nothing special needs to be done with that. Alright, now this is something I made myself. For Mac OS X, the VPK tool that they kind of ship with it doesn't work that well. You can run it, but you need to add a couple additional little things to get it to work right. So what you want to do here is just copy these two files. They'll be in the description to get a link to it into your bin folder for Team Fortress 2. So just kind of copy what I did here. It's pretty simple. And once those are there, you'll be using those to create or extract from the new VPK folders that TF2 uses. Alright, so once you're ready, you're going to want to navigate to Team Fortress 2 TF Custom, and that's where all your mods are going to go now. It's a lot easier to put them there. You can put them in the old TF folder, like the exact same way as you used to install mods, but now if you break something in there, it's going to be a hell of a pain because users don't have their own folder for each like Steam user, and it's just really a hassle. It's best to use this new custom folder, and it lets you kind of organize your mods a lot better. Okay, so once you've put everything you want into your custom folder, you're going to drag it onto this VPA creator tool, and that's just going to make the mods into VPKs. You don't have to turn mods into VPK, but it's best to do so. TF2 loads the files better, and it's just a good idea. It makes it simple to just have one file in there than a bunch of folders that are confusing or whatever. And then once you've converted them to VPK, you can just delete the folders that you converted. One thing to note though is that custom HUDs, if they have a special font, it will not work if you convert that to VPK. So it's best to leave HUDs just in their original folder format. Here I'm just demoing that the mods that I just installed work, and yes, TF2 is running horribly. It's at like 2 frames a second. Sorry, I can't record and play TF2 that well on Mac. Okay, here I'm just gonna be doing a little extra demonstration. You can also use the tool that I made to extract a VPK folder. Like if you get a mod that just comes as a VPK and you want to make your own edits to it or something, you can just drag that VPK onto the VPK creator, and that'll extract the folder out of the VPK. Also, if you're familiar with Terminal and know a little bit about that, you can use some of the more advanced features of Valve's VPK tool, like listing files, making large files into multiple VPKs. There's a lot. You can look it up on Valve's little developer page on VPK. But you can use the VPK script that I included to get kind of some of the more advanced features available to you. Alright, and that's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.